But anyway, he told me that the song is coming out next week Friday, so go stream, guys.
At least wait to some of our platform now. Wait.
The Tlairabeang. He's begging for it.
Yo.
So guys, kulaba bangazi ukuthi what's happening here, don't worry, I got you. So Uyanda Woods and then Tony Daimane. Tony Daimane is a rapper and wears we spreading humors for an interview, and then Uyanda Woods, I think that's where they saw each other for the first time. Uyanda Woods wabane crush ku Tony, and then as time goes says bayajola bajola Uyanda waze waya ngisho eMlazi, bahamba ngePorsche benoTony beye eMlazi kubuka Tony Daimane eKZN. Sazi ukuthi bayajola awu kuqiqi sesizwa kuthiwa hayi bahlukene, they broke up. So bebehlukana ke uthi Uyanda bakhuluma ukuthi bahlukana kahle, ngakaze akhulume lutho embi ngaye, naye ucela ukuthi angakhulumi lutho embi ngaye. Wamtshela ukuthi please don't make a song about me and I won't say anything bad about you. Manje ke nangu ukuthi uThoni sevele wakhipha iculo, and mekhipha iculo kunoYanda Woods phakathi. So guys, I hope you understand. Asiye kuma comments ke manje. Uthi lona giving Tony Daimane a platform. Yeah, uthi lo she doesn't know who Daimane is. Nami ngamazi after. Tony Daimane is bigger. Bayaphapha abo human trafficker. Ayibo. He's bigger kunina phela guys, thina abanye asimazi bakwethu. Sesimazi nje ngoba kade jula noYanda. Justice for Tony Daimane. Ayibo. Never date your crush. Yo, and bahlezi basho shame. It doesn't end well. Kodwa shame isheshile yazi kuphela relationship yabo isheshile shame. Uthi lo who is Tony Daimane? He's a rapper wase KZN. Uyena kuThoni loyo. Ex Uyanda Woods. Uthi lo well, we only got to know of him because of Yanda. Yes, that is true. Abanye bethu simaze ngoba esitshela noYanda. Mina ngifuna manje ngangamazi nje inhlobo. Ngisho igama ngangalazi. Ingoma ke mhlawumbe ngathi mase ngizwe ngathi oh I've heard this song before. Uthi lo rule number 1, never date your crush. Okay. Yanda Woods is not being nice and I like her. Hey, I only heard of Yanda Woods through Tony. Uyaphapha man. I mina uthi okay, angiphisi, but mina ngezwa ngo Tony through Uyanda. Yeah, Uyanda ngimazi spreading humors, and then umase uThoni ngimazi through Uyanda. Ngangamazi nje inhlobo uThoni, and mhlawumbe it's because ngoba angilaleli hip hop ngaleyo ndlela, maybe that is why uThoni kade ngamazi. It's giving James Edwin Baloyi. Guys, mina ke angazi ukuthi ubani loyo, so I'm not going to say anything on this. Tony Daimane begging wahlanya wena. Hayi bafethu asazi bona bothu abazi. Lapho you had a crush on him first. Okay, akuphikwa lokho, ine wrong pull up. Uthi lo but she stated she told him he shouldn't make a song about the breakup or Henji, but he didn't listen most. True. Exactly. Manje ubani wrong uAcrimon guys? uThoni uyena wrong. What did he do? She's pissed. Apparently he made a song about her. He promised he wouldn't. Kinda dissed the new boyfriend. So udise i-boyfriend yaYanda le entsha wayidisa on the song. Allegedly Uyanda Woods manje ujola ne-soccer player. Allegedly. Ngiyanhlabela guys, but I'll come back with the whole story. Mase ngithole more news on this. Yeah. So kuyiculo leli uDaimane alenzile uyayidisa le boyfriend yayanda entsha edlala ibhola. Igama nani 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 ngizokusho mase ngibuya nesitory esiphelele. Yo, hi guys, mina uSima uyandihlekisa. Look at that face. Hey, bafethu ngeke yo. Hey, no, I understand her. They ended things on good terms. Yanda has never said anything about him before. True. Then the song where he's shading her. Hi Tony naye. Tony wa papa. Tony doesn't need any platform. The boy is well known. Yeah, he's well known by not by everyone. Not by everyone. Yazi ukuthi platform yamake ukuthi inkulu kanjani. It's huge. So i-platform uyayidinga. Alikho artist engayidinga i-platform. Come on. Uthi lo I'm happy Zille never dated her. This is the side we didn't know. The friend zone is much better. She's evil. Guys, she is not evil. Wena ungaphatheka kanjani ukuthi ujole nomuntu nithi mase nihlukana nivumelana ukuthi mfethu ngikho into embi ngizokhuluma ngawe nawe ngeke uzukhulume ngami, and then the next thing njani you create a whole song about me and my new man. Come on guys, think about it. Put yourself in her shoes, please. He's begging for it. Apparently that's what Yanda is saying. Uguti, he's begging for it. She thinks she's her. She must chill. She just have money. Oh honey, she is her. Ngicela ungitshele ukuthi yini ebalekela emhlabeni okudlula ukuthi ube nemali. Please tell me now. Yini ebalekile okudlula ukuthi unemali? Akukho. Kukho. So she is her. She has money, she is her. Wena nje phuma lapho. Okusalayo umthande waze wamkhapha kubo emlazi. Oh, yes. She was in love. Bebethandana bekusamnandi. Baye emlazi. Wahlangana nefamily yakhe noThoni wahlangana nefamily yaYanda. That was then. This is now. Uthi lo and vele we will stream. Good. Hambani ke niyo streamer guys. Nithi nina evil kodwa bukani umnikeze platform. Buka senior streamer manje because uYanda ushilo. Uthi lo Yanda, is that you? Hey, lobuso lobo. Yes, darling, it is her. Why? Why? As lo Sima is enjoying this. Why are you saying that? Why? Hlampe guys uSima knows why they broke up. Maybe she knows the reason. Maybe that's why, you know. Zille is really in control of these girls. They now speak Pedi. I think Bebe Velvesa is this page because they don't stay in KZN. But anyway, guys, that's it from me, Ogamanje, guys. I will see you on my next video.